Dude, Temu's losing its mind right now. These early Black Friday deals are insane. I found gadgets that look straight out of 2030, but they're priced like dollar store steals. Let's count down the best ones before they're gone. Number 15, HIVISUALS 2.7K Night Vision Goggles. Save up to 34%, now only $38 down from $58. These HIVISUALS 2.7K Night Vision binoculars bring pro-level clarity to total darkness. Equipped with a 10 times zoom, infrared illuminator, and a 2.7K HD screen, they capture crystal clear photos and videos straight onto the included 32GB memory card. The 2000 mAh rechargeable battery powers hours of exploration, while the tough ABS body keeps it rugged enough for hunting, camping, or even apocalypse-ready survival gear. USB chargeable, compact, and stylish in matte black. It's the perfect tech gift for men who love adventure and performance. Before we move into next gadget, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell. Number 14, Micro Steam Iron. Save up to 68%, now only $18 down from $58. This Micro Steam Iron is a compact powerhouse built for travelers, professionals, and anyone who hates wrinkles. Delivering 970 watts of strong, penetrating steam, it smooths out clothes in seconds. Whether you're at home, in the office, or halfway across the world, designed for both dry and wet ironing, it adapts to every fabric type and heats up fast for quick, efficient performance. Its compact, durable build makes it easy to pack and handle. Perfect for busy people on the go. With over 19,000 units sold and a 4.9-star rating, this portable steamer is one of Temu's top-rated laundry essentials. Number 13, GREENPORT Smart Watch. Save up to 45%, now only $16 down from $29. This new GREENPORT Smart Watch combines style and function in a sleek square dial design built for everyday life. Packed with wireless calling and text capability, multiple sports modes, a stopwatch, and remote camera control, it keeps you connected and motivated wherever you go. Compatible with both iPhone and Android, it features a clear digital display, comfortable silicone strap, and a rechargeable lithium polymer battery for long-lasting performance. USB charging makes power-ups fast and hassle-free, so you're always ready for your next move. Number 12, LED Cyberpunk Mask with braids. Save up to 31%, now only $43, down from $62. This mask looks like it just dropped straight out of a sci-fi movie. With a futuristic mechanical design, glowing RGB lighting in red, blue, green, pink, and purple, and bold braided cables, it's built to dominate festivals, cosplay events, and Halloween nights. Made from durable high-grade plastic, this mask blends style and tech with immersive detail. Powered by batteries for hours of neon glow, it's perfect for gamers, anime fans, and music festival junkies who want to stand out in any crowd. Compatible with PS5, PS4, and PC themes, it's more than just a costume, it's a statement. Number 11, DOVIICO 4K Smart Glasses. Save up to 22%, now only $59 down from $76. These smart glasses turn your eyes into a camera, translator, and music hub, all in one sleek, futuristic frame. Equipped with AI voice control, real-time translation, and EIS video stabilization, they capture your world hands-free in stunning 4K detail. Listen to music, take calls, or record videos with noise cancellation and wireless connectivity, while the magnetic USB charging keeps your setup neat and effortless. Built with waterproof thermoplastic polyurethane, these glasses are lightweight yet durable. Ready for travel, workouts, or daily use. Number 10, Solar Radio with Hand Crank. Save up to 12%, now only $35, down from $40. This isn't just a radio, it's a survival machine. The FM WB digital shortwave radio combines old school reliability with next-gen emergency tech. Featuring a powerful 5-watt speaker, white noise mode, and a hand crank charger, it keeps you connected even when the grid goes down. A built-in 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery, large solar panel, and USB and TF card support mean you can power up anywhere. No outlet required. Plus, the integrated SOS alarm, flashlight, and vibration alert turn it into a true must-have for camping, hiking, or emergency kits. This is the radio that keeps playing when your phone gives up. Number 9, Laser digital tape measure. Save up to 24%, now only $27.06, down from $35.44. Meet the next generation of measuring tools. The Access FAR 3-in-1 laser tape measure combines classic steel precision with modern laser tech for instant, ultra-accurate results. It's equipped with a high-precision laser rangefinder, durable steel tape, and digital display, giving you pinpoint accuracy in both short and long-distance measurements. The body is wrapped in rugged rubber, built to survive drops and job site chaos, while two AAA alkaline batteries keep it ready for action right out of the box. Whether you're a builder, designer, or DIY enthusiast, this gadget replaces 3 tools in one, saving time, space, and effort. Number 8. Solar Wi-Fi CCTV camera. Save up to 56%, now only $29.96, down from $67.63. This isn't your average security cam. It's a solar-powered guardian. This smart camera delivers 1440p HD clarity, 10 times zoom, and a 360-degree rotating lens that never misses a thing. Built to survive the elements with IP66 waterproof protection, it runs on a 9,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery backed by a solar panel for non-stop power. Featuring motion detection, color night vision, two-way audio, and a spotlight alarm, this camera doesn't just record, it defends. Control everything through its mobile app, zoom in on details remotely, and enjoy peace of mind powered by the sun. Number 7. Heating pad. Save up to 19%, now only $23.44, down from $28.85. Cold weather, no problem. The Lenman graphene heating pad wraps your neck and shoulders in gentle, even heat within seconds. Powered by advanced graphene tech, it delivers instant warmth through 6 adjustable heat levels and a 4-setting auto-off timer for safety and peace of mind. The weighted design hugs your muscles for deep relaxation and soothing relief from tension or fatigue. Plug and play via a standard 120-volt US outlet. Its 130-watt heating core keeps you comfortable without dry air or noise. Perfect for home use, office breaks, or a thoughtful winter gift for mom, this pad is the ultimate blend of comfort and tech innovation. Number 6. Electric hydraulic car jack. Save up to 35%, now only $76, down from $116. When your car gives up, this 5-ton electric hydraulic jack steps in like a superhero. Built from heavy-duty iron, it lifts SUVs, MPVs, and trucks with ease. Powered directly through your car's 12-volt plug. The kit includes an electric impact wrench for fast tire removal, a built-in air pump for inflation, and a hydraulic lift system that raises vehicles effortlessly in minutes. Designed for emergencies and roadside repairs, it's compact enough to store in your trunk, yet powerful enough to handle any breakdown. Perfect for road trips, garages, or everyday drivers who don't want to rely on towing. Plug it in, press the button, and watch 5 tons rise like nothing. Number 5. Pet grooming and dog hair vacuum cleaner. Save up to 59%, now only $50, down from $121. Say goodbye to messy fur forever. This 8-in-1 pet grooming vacuum combines salon-grade grooming with home cleaning power in one smart machine. With a massive 12,000 Pascal suction, 6 professional grooming tools, and a 2.2-liter dust cup, it instantly removes loose hair while keeping your home spotless. Engineered for low-noise operation, it won't scare your pets, while the 3 adjustable suction levels adapt to any coat type, from small cats to giant dogs. Just plug it in, brush, and watch the fur vanish straight into the vacuum tank. Perfect for pet owners tired of constant cleaning. This is a must-have tool for shedding season. Powerful, quiet, and easy to use. It's like a spa day for your pets and a clean home for you. Number 4. Full body massage pad. Save up to 60%, now only $71, down from $179. Turn any room into a luxury spa with this full body massage pad. Designed with premium leather fabrics and a removable neck massage pillow, it delivers soothing relief from your neck to your legs through vibration massage and gentle heat therapy. The pad features full coverage zones for your shoulders, back, waist, and legs, while the built-in large heating system melts away stress and muscle tension in minutes. Simply plug it into a 110-volt US outlet, lie back, and let it do the work. Foldable for easy storage and complete with a carry bag. It's perfect for home relaxation or travel, a thoughtful gift for parents or anyone who deserves a daily dose of comfort. This pad turns ordinary rest into a full-body recharge session. Number 3, bow and arrow kit. Save up to 24%, now only $75, down from $99. Train like a pro with this 51-inch bow and arrow set, built for accuracy, balance, and power. Crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet durable, ideal for beginners and hobbyists alike. This kit includes 6 carbon arrows tipped with real feathers for stable flight and consistent aim. Designed for right-hand shooters and youth learners, the ergonomic grip and smooth draw make every shot effortless and controlled. Perfect for backyard practice, archery training, or beginners looking to learn the craft. This bow delivers precision with every pull. Whether you're chasing skill or calm focus, this is where every modern archer begins. Number 2, portable two-way language translator. Save up to 23%, now only $20, down from $27. Break language barriers in real time with the Skara portable translator device. Supporting 137 languages and dialects, it delivers instant two-way voice translation with stunning accuracy. Perfect for travelers, business meetings, and students, it connects via app for live audio translation and uses advanced AI to detect tone and intent, not just words. The Type-C rechargeable battery offers hours of talk time, while the compact wireless design slips easily into your pocket or pairs with headphones for discreet use. Whether you're exploring Tokyo, sealing deals in Paris, or learning Spanish at home, this translator makes every conversation seamless. Talk, listen, and understand the world without limits. Number 1, foldable drone with camera. Save up to 58%, now only $89, down from $199. Take flight with the E88 foldable camera drone, a compact quadcopter built for epic shots indoors or outdoors. Featuring real-time APP control, HD live video transmission, and one-key takeoff and landing, it's the perfect drone for both beginners and pros. With dual batteries giving up to 30 minutes of total flight time, you'll capture more sky and fewer recharges. The foldable design makes it ultra portable, while the 3 meters per second flight speed, 100 meter control range, and 100 meter altitude limit give it freedom to explore. Lightweight yet stable, powered by a rechargeable polymer battery, the E88 drone delivers a cinematic flying experience wherever you go. Whether you're filming adventures, learning aerial moves, or gifting the future of fun, this drone turns every flight into a moment worth replaying. Alright guys, that wraps up Temu's craziest early Black Friday lineup. Half the stuff's probably gone by now. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next round of deals. Catch you in the next one.